Wait at least 24 to 48 hours before walking on a newly tiled bathroom floor to avoid disrupting adhesive cure. Tile adhesive cures through a chemical and physical process that requires consistent contact and undisturbed pressure to gain full strength, so follow the manufacturer's directions for cure time and ambient conditions first and foremost. For most thinset mortars, you can allow light foot traffic after 24 to 48 hours if the room is kept at normal household temperature and humidity, but avoid full use or heavy loads until at least 72 hours have passed to ensure the bond approaches its intended strength. Cement-based grouts will harden superficially within a few hours, but continue to cure and gain strength for several days. So do not expose grout joints to water or cleaning for at least 72 hours, unless the product explicitly allows sooner. For epoxy grouts and rapid set mortars, the usable times may be shorter, so record the product name and mixing ratios and follow those specific instructions. Improper water ratios or overworking the mix will reduce final strength. When practical, keep the bathroom door closed and post a temporary barrier or tape to prevent accidental steps, and plan non-essential traffic through another route for the first 3 days after installation. If the installer heated the floor or used additives to speed cure, be mindful that rapid drying can cause shrinkage and weaker bonds, so favor the manufacturer recommended curing profile over attempts to force faster use. Common mistakes include walking on tiles too soon, which can compress or shift tiles and create hollow spots, so wait the recommended time and lift a corner if movement is suspected to reinstall properly. Another common issue is exposing grout to water within the first 72 hours, which can cause staining and weaken the joint. So avoid showers and mop only after the grout cure window and follow any manufacturer sealing advice. A third concern is not accounting for temperature and humidity, which can dramatically extend cure times. Keep the room within the product recommended temperature range. Use a humidifier or dehumidifier if needed, and do not heat the area aggressively to hurry curing because that can trap moisture or cause cracking. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and practical project guidance related to tile installations, timelines, and material choices. We have a discussion community where we and other users share real experiences, ask questions, and find referrals to help plan and execute bathroom floor projects.